Here at Early Childhood Family Education, our STEM class, which meets on Wednesdays from 12:30 to 2:30, are doing a special egg drop challenge happening at Central Park. We started with the nursery rhyme of Humpty Dumpty, and I took a raw egg and put it on top of a fake wall that we had, and we started Humpty Dumpty, and he fell over, and so it caused the egg to crack. And so then we talked about what is our problem as this egg, and how could we fix that problem. So the challenge is for them to go at home and make a container that they can drop their egg from the second floor down to the first floor and see if their egg will stay intact when they drop it.
Olivia worked really hard on her own on this one. So
yeah, I did.
Because it's an egg, she wanted to put it in a barn. We have a little barn.
We decided to go a little bit more decorative, have a little bit more fun with it. Took us a couple days. We did a paper mache egg around a balloon, and then we filled them up with foam.
And she remembered that when we get packages in the mail, the packages come in boxes with some of these little plastic bubbles. So we thought if we used some of those plastic bubbles and we put them inside a barn and closed it up, that could help protect it.
I think the project is great because it helps the kids learn there's a lot of different ways to do the same thing. Everybody had a different way to keep their eggs safe, and a lot of them worked. There was, parachutes, there was foam, there was all kinds of different stuff. So it really does help the kids learn that there's more than one way to do something.
Our project that we're doing, the Egg Drop Challenge, is really looking at the engineering portion of STEM, and so looking at ways that we can build and answering the questions that engineers would answer. We've spent a couple of weeks talking about how engineers, they like to try new things, but they're always asking questions, and so they need to be able to answer the question, why are we doing this? Who are we doing it for, and how will it solve a problem?
They really get to experiment with everything, have fun with it, learn that not every experiment works right the first time. Some things break, some things don't.
And so we talk a lot about how it's okay if our egg does crack, and that's okay. We're engineers, so we get to try something different. So it makes our minds think a little bit differently like engineers would.